Not brushing your teeth. Uh-oh, this can lead to cavities and smelly breath. Brushing your teeth twice a day keeps your smile bright and your teeth strong. Littering, throwing trash on the ground makes the world messy and dirty. Throwing trash in the bin helps keep the environment clean and happy. Eating too much junk food, it might taste good, but too much can make you feel yucky. Eating healthy foods, fruits and veggies make you strong and full of energy. Not sharing with others, keeping things to yourself makes others sad. Sharing with friends, sharing toys and snacks makes everyone smile. Skipping homework, this can make it hard to learn and keep up in school. Doing homework on time, finishing your homework helps you learn new things. Playing too much on screen, too much screen time can make your eyes tired and your body lazy. Playing outside or reading can be fun too. Being rude to others, not using kind words or yelling can hurt people's feelings. Being kind and respectful, using kind words makes everyone feel good. Not cleaning up after yourself, leaving toys and clothes everywhere creates a big mess. Cleaning up your space, a clean room means more space to play.